How to upload content to Peacock TV. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you upload content to Peacock TV. Now, Peacock is a streaming service that hosts content created by NBC, Universal and its partner. It is not a platform for individual user to upload their own personal content. So basically, you open up your Peacock TV and you find no such option as upload content. So likewise, if you open the Peacock TV app, you cannot upload your own content to Peacock as a general user. So Peacock TV is a professional streaming service that licenses and produces its own movie, TV show, and live sport event. It is not a platform for user-generated content. So basically, the term uploading content to Peacock generally refers to either submitting an ad, pitching a show or movie, the industrial professional that includes, or you could just go ahead and upload a content, like you could upload a movie through a license procedure as well. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.